Can I just stay home and then take a break? Like you guys see, I can't take a break with Ruby and Rock around. Mommy not feeling good. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Go back to sleep. Oh, Ruby, what you doing there? What you doing there? Okay. Leave mommy alone. Leave mommy alone. Oh. What's up? No. Nope. Oh my goodness. Move. Ruby. What's up? What's up, Rocky? Ruby? Okay, we're going back to sleep, okay? Can we? Nap time again, Rocky. Oh my goodness. Rock. Big boy. Ricky, no. That's good. That's good, right, Ruby? Ruby, come here, baby. What are you eating, Rocky? Come here. Come on. Here we go. He's about to come. He's about to come to mommy. Are we going back to sleep? Yeah? Good boy. How about you, Ruby? Are you ready to go back to sleep again? Like take a nap? Are you? You're good. She likes to sleep under the blanket. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Go back to sleep. Oh my goodness, Rocky. Here we go. He come again. See? Come again. You love mommy that much? You love mommy that much? Good boy. Good boy. Where Ruby? Yes, Ruby, come here, baby. Ruby, come here. Ruby. Don't step on mommy's face. No. Oh my goodness. I can't take a nap. What you got around me? What's up? You're not feeling shy, Rocky? You're not? My goodness. Okay, Mom. I guess Mommy help you kick you guys out of the room, huh? Should I? Okay, we're all going back to sleep, okay? Good boy. Ruby? I think Ruby went downstairs already. Look at Rocky. Look at what he do. Do you know how big you are? Do you know how big you are? Okay. Bye.